In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide All Tools pane in Acrobat Reader. If you're tired of the right-hand Tools pane taking up space while you read PDFs, this quick setup will hide it and make Acrobat remember your preference every time you reopen a document. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. Give it a moment to load to the home screen or open any PDF so you can see the main interface. We'll make a small change in your settings so the app remembers how you like your workspace. Now look to the very top left of the window for the main menu. Click that menu to expand your options. From there, choose Preferences. This opens a separate window where you control how Acrobat behaves. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scroll through the list. Preferences is where Acrobat stores all of your viewing and document behavior settings. Inside the Preferences window, find and click the Document section in the left-hand list. In some versions, it may appear as Documents. Either way, you're in the right place when you see options related to how files open and display. Next, turn on the setting called Restore Last View Settings when reopening documents. This option is the key to keeping the Tools pane hidden. With it enabled, Acrobat will remember the exact view state you left off with, panes open or closed, zoom level, and similar details, so you don't have to toggle the Tools pane off every time. After you've checked that box, click OK to save your change and close the Preferences window. This applies the setting immediately. Now for the final touch, in the main Acrobat window, go to the right-hand side where you see the All Tools panel. Click the small X at the top of that pane to close it. The document area should instantly widen, giving you more room to read and annotate. Because you enabled the Restore Last View setting, Acrobat will remember that the Tools pane was closed and it should stay hidden the next time you open this document and others you view afterward. A few quick tips before we wrap up. This change affects how Acrobat looks on your current device and user account. It doesn't modify the PDF itself. If you ever notice the pane showing again after an update or a reset, just revisit Preferences and make sure the Restore option is still enabled, then close the pane once more. And that's it. Open Acrobat, go to Preferences, select Document, enable Restore Last View, click OK, and close the All Tools pane with the X. Enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free reading space in Acrobat Reader.